G'day punters, Kenny M here. An epic episode just about to come and hit ya. Starlink. Haven't done too much on this, but a little bit, I suppose. Some shorts and some Facebook stuff. And if you're not following me on Facebook, go check it out. Kenny M Epic Adventures. Outback comms rugged. I bought one over 2 years ago, I think it was, and originally had a problem with the black box, which was the Wi-Fi router and power supply. When I was down Tassie, contacted Outback Comms and they replaced it free of charge. Obviously had to post it to them. So this is a newer version as well of their little black box. When I got back, I had a problem with the original cable. This is the original cable here. So it plugs into the dishy, or into the black box. And that plugged into a cable that was coming out of the dishy. So I think it was an original Starlink cable, and it had a joiner in it, I assume from original Starlink to the new Dash sort of 6 cables. And then that was plugged into this, so it was like that. And this cable, which was plugged into the black box, was plugged into the other end. I got some water in there, so it stopped working. And that's happy. So I went and saw them, and they actually supplied me a new cable. And I hadn't pulled the rugged off the roof at that stage. So when I pulled the old rugged off, I had a couple of little cracks between the eyelets and the side, just in 2 spaces. And it's not in warranty, not in written warranty anyhow. So I took it back around to them and asked them if they could put a new lid on it for me. Happy to pay for it. Picked it up today, complete new box, updated version, a little bit bigger, a little bit thicker as well, and obviously new cable installed, which is fantastic. So this is my shout out to Outback Comms for backing their product. I've got to now stick this all back together, and some of you have been following me on Facebook will know that this little plate here mounts to the inside of my canopy, the roof. 4 bolts. The box itself is bolted to this plate, and I've stuck some nutserts in just to make it easier to remove and replace if I ever need to do that again. These 2 cables here, they're for the Wi-Fi plug, disc, antenna, whatever you like to call it, and the power button. All right, that's about all I'm going to say in this video.